We are going to share with you guys the incredible luxury you can experience for under $100 staying at a wine estate in Stroll, South Africa.
It's literally a dream for me coming true.
We're literally
it's already a win.
We're making money on this. I'm so happy right now. I don't think you're supposed to get drunk doing a wine tasting, but exactly, we have the vineyard to ourselves. All of us. We are the only two people.
This is ours now. We are the king and the queen of the vineyard. A part of this video is sponsored by Insta360. We went back to Chapman's Peak to see the cliff roads in its full glory and to test out a new camera. And I must say, we absolutely love the footage. We used the nimble Insta360 camera 1x2 with an extended selfie stick. You can create stunning hyperlapses. My favorite function, the invisible stick effect, which gives you the most unique perspectives. Mike's favorite function is the fake drone effect. Click the link in the description box below to get an Insta360 camera right in time for Christmas.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today, Nelly and I are in Stroll. We just checked into an Airbnb which is located on a wine estate. Nelly, what is the name of the wine estate?
It's Bartinney wines and it's so stunning here. I mean, if you come here and just smell the fresh air, the flowers, you can hear the birds chirping, and it's so nice. It's literally a dream for me coming true, staying overnight at a vineyard.
So we were actually looking for accommodations in Cape Town when Nelly stumbled upon this absolute deal for $100 here in Stroll for per night. We're staying here for 2 nights so we can get the full experience, and our day so far has already been incredible. Such a scenic drive here from Cape Town, and just everything here, literally everything is so beautiful.
I mean, look at these flowers. Have you ever seen any flowers like this?
No, I have not.
Stunning.
They are incredible, incredibly beautiful. So what makes this even more special for us is with the room price, a wine tasting is included, which is like insane.
Yeah, it's really nice.
We are actually on our way now to the restaurant, or to the wine tastery, the tasting shed. What was it called? The
restaurant, well,
it's called the tasting shed, right?
Tasting shed, yeah.
So we're going there to have a wine tasting. Also, there was a bottle of wine in our room included in the rate as well. We're literally
already a win.
We're making money on this. Ooh, it sounds busy.
I am already absolutely in awe of this beautiful location, but the waiter just told us that they won Best Cabernet Sauvignon and Best Chardonnay worldwide. So, wow, we're so lucky. I had no idea. So I'm very looking forward to the wine tasting.
We're gonna try the estate tasting.
Yes.
It just got confirmed. It really is complimentary.
It is
We're
really
like, this is too good of a deal to...
It's too good to be true. I don't know. That was such a lucky find.
Yeah.
Wow.
Got a sparkling wine while we wait for our meat and cheese board and the actual wine tasting. All the glasses are here already. We're gonna have a Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay, and then 2 red wines. Cheers, Nelly. Ooh. This is a sparkling wine with predominantly Chardonnay, a little bit of Pinot Noir, and then 24 months. That is good. That's so good. I don't know if it's just the sparkling wine that's so good, or if it's the ambience that makes it that much better. It's just nice to drink this, knowing that it came from these fields. So we haven't eaten much today yet, so we decided to get a meat and cheese platter. This one is around $19, and we had a nice assortment. We have some nice ciabatta in the middle, we have some brie cheese, we have some goat cheese, some it looks like salami Milano, we got some parma ham, we have some I'm not sure quite. This is some prosciutto. I'm not sure what kind of goodness this is, but it looks so nice. We have the tapenade as well. I'm so happy right now. We started off with a wonderful Sauvignon Blanc, and now the second one we're trying is the Chardonnay, the award-winning Chardonnay, right?
Yeah, we have a couple of awards on our Chardonnays. Our Chardonnays, we're mostly familiar all around the globe for our Chardonnays, especially our Hourglass. This is a 2019, very nice and juicy, beautiful oak, but not overwhelmed with oak. This is, like I would always say, it is sunshine in a glass, and as you see there, I pour it for you with that honey, vanilla, beautiful citrus kind of fruit.
All right, Nelly, we are at the Cabernet Sauvignons. We have, what do we have here?
So we have the 2013 one and the 2016. So we were told they have two different distinctive flavors. This is the favorite of our bartender Basil, and I'm going to give it a try because he explained it like it's heaven on earth. His favorite, so I have to try it. You know, it's awarded. And something that we haven't mentioned yet is that it is actually made by a woman. This vineyard is woman owned.
The first woman in South Africa.
First woman in South Africa. Cheers to that. I really love woman empowerment. Oh, cheers to her.
But Carmen's got the piece, right? And he's going to help us.
I think your parents would love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Like the lady that was sitting here, Renelle, one of the finest people in the world. Not that she's the finest in winemaking, but she's got the most beautiful spirit, very easy, relaxed person, clean spirit, beautiful mind structure and all that. So this is her gins.
Oh, wow.
We love gin.
This is the winter gin, this is the autumn, and I've got the summer as well.
Nice.
So I'm just going to give you a little taste of what it's like. This is my favorite. I'm going to give you a little taster.
I think we have to bring one bottle of this gin for our Philippines friends who love gin.
Okay, so I'm already absolutely sloshed from the wine tasting. I don't think you're supposed to get drunk doing a wine tasting, but it gets me every time. My alcohol tolerance is fairly low, I must say. But
yeah, with our age, it seems like it's always decreasing.
Exactly, but we have these two lovely gins now, the winter and the autumn, right, as explained before, and they smell lovely, so good, very, oh, so nice. I like the smell of this one more.
That's the winter one.
Wow, that is so smooth.
I have some really cute doggies here at the vineyard. Hi doggies! Hello! Aww! Aww! There's one up here.
I said behind every great man is an even greater woman.
Aww!
I was joking. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Yeah, this vineyard is so stunning and lovely. And they have 11 dogs here. I think golden retrievers mainly and Labradors that I spotted here, like having fun between the vineyards. So lovely. I can't wait to take a walk. Welcome to my loft. We are checked in at the Bartinney Loft here in Stellenbosch and it's so cute.
Okay, Nelly, first off, how much is it per night?
It's €85 per night.
Wow.
So that's under $100. And we have a whole loft for us. So we have this very spacious open living room with a huge TV. On the other side, we have a little dining area with a beautiful kitchen, fully equipped with, you know, everything that you need. Some coffee, tea, salts, even biscuits, and I'm going to open this bottle later on. Complimentary wine from the vineyard. So that's nice. Kind of cool. And then we're moving over. Oh,
and this place is massive. I mean, let me go over to one side of the room.
Yeah, this is so big.
So it's huge.
We have this really beautiful roof. It's very spacious and high and really calming to be here.
Show us the bedroom.
Yeah. Oh, some nice art over here. All right, so this is the bedroom. We have a huge bed and yeah, lovely little table on this side. So we can open the window here.
Yeah, this opens right up and there's a lovely breeze outside, which is good because there's no AC.
Yes, but we have a vent here and here.
And it's nice and breezy here in Franschhoek.
And this is the bathroom. So
nice.
super spacious. You have a bathtub, you have a little hidden, toilet area, and you have a shower. Yeah. So yeah, the decoration here is so cute.
If I'd have to have something to complain about it, it's that I bang my head here if I don't be careful. But, yeah.
It's so bad. But yeah. Okay, we did our wine tasting, we did our room tour, and now we're just taking a sunset walk with a bottle of wine. Oh, and I love all the flowers here. It smells so incredibly good, and it's just the two of us now.
Exactly, we have the vineyard to ourselves. All of us, we are the only two people.
This is ours now. We are
This
the
is
king
ours
and
now.
the queen of the vineyard of South Africa. No, I think.
Cheers. So yeah, today's been pretty great. Today's been pretty great. And now we're just going to stroll around this vineyard drinking our lovely wine. So as you can tell, a under $100 per night experience in Franschhoek can give you
Quite a luxury experience, I would say.
yes.
It's not something that I would say is very common. I mean, we're literally.
The evil birds are down there.
I know, right?
Oh, we gotta show them the
Oh,
evil
but
birds, right?
Can you please just look at this vineyard, how beautiful it looks in the sunlight, and we have a full bottle of wine, 2 glasses of wine still. It's so beautiful. It's a luxury experience for less than $100, and the team here is so lovely. It's so stunning. I love staying here already. We haven't even spent the night here, but I love the smell of the flowers. I love the silence. I know I'm getting old. I'm really getting old when I say I love the silence, but this has been already such an amazing experience. So good. I have to say, this is an extremely beautiful vacation experience. We haven't traveled in such a long time outside of the Philippines in the past 2 years, and what used to be our regular, I would say, regular daily life, just like exploring new countries, doing new things, feels good that it somewhat feels like it's coming back to that. It's beautiful. We're currently enjoying a glass of wine, this view, and just enjoying the silence, the sounds of nature. Nothing but wind and birds chirping. Cheers to that.
Alright guys, thank you for joining us on this little adventure around a South African vineyard. we've had a fantastic time, and I think we're still gonna enjoy the evening a lot more with our 2 bottles of wine. In any case, if we were able to inspire you to come and visit one of these amazing vineyards here in South Africa, please give this video a thumbs up. 2 good boys just visited us.
Yes. Hello. Hey, Doogie.
We'll link all the details in the description box down below. And we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome.
Be positive.
Make it happen.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Click the link below to get your Insta360 camera.